Two business owners wake up on the same Monday morning, but at the end of the day, only one of them really running the business. Can you guess who? This business owner starts the day by checking WhatsApp. Employees keep asking questions, customers are waiting for answers, someone forgot to update Excel.
The inventory numbers are wrong. The daily report isn't ready.
By lunchtime, the business owner is already stressed, not because the business is growing, but because they are busy solving problems all day. Now let's look at the other business owner. Before finishing the first cup of coffee, they already know today's sales, employee attendance, inventory levels, pending tasks. Everything is in one place. Everything updates automatically. No need to call people. No need to wait for reports. Instead of looking for information, the information comes to them. So they can spend their time making better business decisions.
And it's not just another ERP. It's a smarter way to run your business.